Swordfish II, piloted by Spike Spiegel, is a marvel of engineering, now available on the Gambody marketplace. Adaptation of this modified racing mono for 3D printing took the Gambody team a total of 119 hours. The Swordfish II 3D model is highly articulated and reflects all the features of the original design. The Starship includes two versions of the plasma cannon, one in combat mode and one without plasma. It holds a record for the number of active elements among all models ever introduced on Gambody. The unfolding cockpit can open to access a movable control panel.
Jet, can you line up some airplanes? I'm gonna need about 20 or 30 of them.
The iconic folding wing mechanism has also been carefully recreated. The plasma cannon extends and rotates, adding to the dynamic feel of the build.
Faye, if his goal was simply to annihilate the world,
Hey, taxi!